And continuing with this pork shoulder here, this one's now been marinated for, let me see, like at least 3 days. So quite a long time. So remove the plastic. Easiest thing to do to not get all this juice everywhere is to put this in a colander. I'm going to strain it out. First I just wanted to show you how nice it looks. Okay, so here we go. Pork shoulder marinated. I decided I'm going to cut this into some strips, just like this. And once I got these nice strips, I'm going to surprise you with the next step. Look at that, looking good. Oh, you can see how the marinade has penetrated the meat. Looking really good. Another example of why you need a sharp knife and a maple cutting board. So fast, so easy, kills germs naturally, and the knife, sharp, back in the block, ready to go. Okay, so I decided to do this marinated pork into a Pago Hawaiian style baby meatball. Here we go. Start this grinder. Drop the meat in there. I'll be back. The last of the meat coming out right there. Okay. Yeah, looking really good. You can see that. It's ground up beautifully and there's a lot of flavor in there. Oh yeah. Okay, Hawaiian meatballs, follow along. I like to move fast sometimes. Here we go, a little bit of peppercorn blend. Looking good. Some natural sea salt, of course. Yeah, gotta have a little salt in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of dried parsley. I'm gonna put just a touch of, where is it? Here we go. Yeah, just a touch of cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Stuff's really hot. Okay, and we're gonna put some white balsamic vinegar, just a touch. Oh yeah, gonna give a little kick right there. Okay, of course you gotta have egg. And while we're at it, I think we'll put some breadcrumbs. Maybe half a cup of breadcrumbs, okay? There we go. Using a large spoon, I'm gonna mix all this together. Oh yeah, smells so good. In a greased sheet pan right here. Okay, just about like this size, okay? Looking good. Line them up. Okay, you get the idea. And I'll be back. Oh yeah, look at my nice balls there. Okay, meatballs. This would be a good time for you to leave a comment. Something clever, something humorous, something funny, or just comment on the recipe, your choice. I like to throw a little humor in from time to time, and well, these are nice, sticky balls, meatballs. Yeah, they're looking really good. At this point, I'm gonna bake them at 350 until they're nice and brown while I prepare a Hawaiian Pago Pago teriyaki sauce. So, with that, I'm waiting for your comment. Make us smile. Okay, the finished meatballs looking really good. Of course, I like to check them with an instant thermometer. You gotta have one of these. Okay, look for the largest one. This one looks good. Internal temperature, looking for at least 160 degrees. Okay, these have been cooling a little bit. And 110, 120, still going up. So yeah, they look done to me. I'm gonna try these babies out. Woo! Little appetizer going on here. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna serve, let's see, a small spatula here. I'm gonna just serve 2 of these. Okay. A little bit of this Hawaiian Pago Pago sauce. It's basically a modified teriyaki. Gonna put just a little bit right over the top here, like this. Yeah. Maybe a little extra sauce. Okay. Got a little bit of caramelized onion just to add to the garnish effect right there. A couple pieces on each one. And I got a little bit of chopped basil right there. So that's it. That's the appetizer. I'm going to put a couple of these little cocktail, what do we call these things? Cocktail toothpicks in there, like this. And with that, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And yeah, you're learning something here, okay? This was made from the pork shoulder. And what a great appetizer this would be for the holidays. Family, friends, special get-together. Even your restaurant. French bistro. This would be perfect. Looking really, really good. Please click that little like button and make sure to subscribe. Helps other people find us. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching.